Good day all. On September 19, 2025, Apple unveiled the iPhone 17 lineup, which consists of the entry Apple iPhone 17, the Air or the 17 Air, and the 17 Pro, and the top of the range 17 Pro Max. This device debuted with a whole lot of amazing features, which we are going to give you key highlights and also the price in Nigeria. So before hitting the store to buy any Apple iPhone 17 series, watch this video so you get to know the price, because if you go without getting to arm yourself with the pricing, these people will show you shaggy. Some people are selling the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes for up to 4.3 million naira, like a phone that is worth some dollars above 1,000. Like how does most of these vendors think? So let's get started. So in this video we are going to be talking about the notable features on the Apple iPhone 17 series and also the price in Nigeria to guide you so you don't fall victim, so they don't use your head. So let's get started. So we are starting with the entry Apple iPhone 17. For the iPhone 17 series, there is no more 128 gigabyte on any device, so all starts now with 256 gigabyte. The entry Apple iPhone 17 supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and also the device comes with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, and the front of this device is protected by the second generation ceramic shield, and the rear of this device for the first time is protected by a ceramic shield glass to reduce cracks and also cracks. Like we all know, the device is available in eSIM option and the physical SIM option. The physical SIM option is mostly sent to China and other countries, but for the US versions, all US versions comes with eSIM option, and the device comes with IP68 dust and water resistant rating. At launch, the device debuted with the Apple A19 processor, and this processor is real super fast, and it also comes standard with iOS 26. The device is available in two storage options, including the 256 gigabyte and the 512 gigabyte. Both of them comes with 8 gigabyte of RAM. At the rear of the device is a dual 48 megapixel camera that can shoot 4K videos and the 1080p videos. And the front features an 18 megapixel selfie camera. The front also can shoot 4K videos and the 1080p videos and other resolutions. Then let's talk about the battery. The Apple iPhone 17 is powered by a Li-ion 3692 milliamps hour non-removable battery that can charge from 0 to 50 in just 20 minutes. The device also supports 25 watt wireless MagSafe charging, and it also comes with 4.5 watt reversed wire charging. Then coming down to the pricing of the brand new Apple iPhone 17 in Nigeria, the 256 gigabyte starts at 1.4 million and goes up to 1.7 million. That is 1,400,000 to 1,700,000. The top of the range 512 gigabyte starts at 1,600,000 and goes up to 1,900,000. That takes us to the next in line, which is the iPhone Air. The Apple iPhone 17 Air or the Apple iPhone Air replaces this Plus version, which was available on the 15, 16 and even 14. The iPhone Air is the thinnest Apple iPhone ever released, and this device comes with a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a screen resolution of 1260 by 2736 pixels. The front of this device is protected by the ceramic shield 2, and the rear also is protected by a ceramic shield glass. The device is powered by the Apple A19 Pro, while the entry 17 is just powered by the A90, so you can see the big difference as it comes with the iOS 26 as standard. The device is available in 3 storage options, including the 256 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte, and 1 terabyte, and all of them comes with 12 gigabyte of RAM. At the rear is a single 48 megapixel camera. This 48 megapixel camera, according to Apple, does the job of 4 cameras, so capturing photos and videos on this device is super cool, and you can shoot 4K videos and 1080p videos. The front also features the 18 megapixel camera, which is standard across the 17 series. If you are buying the iPhone Air, just know that you are getting an eSIM version, because there is no physical SIM version anywhere in the world. So this device is very thin, and so is only available with eSIM option only. The iPhone Air features this least battery in the lineup. It features a Li-ion 3149 milliamps hour non-removable battery, and it can charge from 0 to 50 in just 30 minutes, and it supports 20 watt wireless MagSafe charging and 4.5 watt reverse wire charging. Then let's get down to the pricing. The price of a brand new Apple iPhone Air in Nigeria starts at 1.9 million, that is 1,900,000, and goes up to 2,000,000 200,000 for the entry 256 gigabytes. The 512 gigabytes starts at 2,100,000 and goes up to 2,300,000. While the 1 terabyte option starts at 2,200,000 and goes up to 2,500,000. Note that the prices may vary depending on the seller, so it's just a wide range. Then we get down to the Pro series, starting with the iPhone 17 Pro. The 17 Pro comes with a 6.3 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display with a screen resolution of 1206 by 2622 pixels. The front is protected by a ceramic shield glass too, and it also features anti-reflective clothing. This is a standard across all grades. The device is powered by the Apple A19 Pro processor, and it comes standard with the iOS 26. Then coming over to the camera, at the rear of the device is a triple 48 megapixel camera that can shoot 4K videos, 1080p videos, and a whole lot of other video resolution. Imagine what a 48 megapixel camera can do. And also it comes with a dual LED dual tone flash. Then the front also features the standard 18 megapixel camera, and these front cameras can shoot for up to 4K videos at 24, 25, 30, and 60 frames per second. Then there's one thing that is very important to note. If I will advise, I will tell you to buy the eSIM version. Why? The eSIM version comes with a larger battery, while the physical SIM version comes with a smaller battery. The eSIM version comes with a 4,252 milliamps non-removable battery, while the physical SIM option comes with a Leon 3988 milliamps hour non-removable battery. You can see the major difference. So if you are looking for the device with bigger battery, you go for the eSIM version. Moreover, the eSIM version, so you can still use 2 SIM on it, and the eSIM version offers top-notch security, because in a case that your phone is lost, nobody can remove the eSIM. Then coming down to the pricing of the brand new Apple iPhone 17 Pro in Nigeria. The pricing starts at 2,100,000 to 2,300,000 for the entry 256 gigabytes. Moving over to the 512 gigabytes, the pricing starts at 2,400,000 and goes up to 2,600,000. Then going to the top of the range 1 terabyte, the pricing starts at 2,800,000 and goes up to 3,100,000. That is 3.1 million naira. Then that takes us to the top of the range device, which is the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max still comes with a large 6.9 inches Super Retina XDR display that was debuted on the Apple iPhone 16 series. The 6.9 inches display is protected by the ceramic shield glass 2 and the more level 5, and it also features anti-reflective coating. The device is powered by the same Apple A19 Pro processor, same as the one on the iPhone, the 17 Pro, and it also comes with iOS 26 as standard. The device is available in 4 storage options, including the 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and the 2 terabyte, and all of them comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM. So if you are planning to buy the 2 terabytes, make sure you have deep pocket, because that phone is not cheap at all. At the rear of the device is a triple 48 megapixel camera that can shoot up to 4K videos at 24, 25, 30, 100, and 120 frames per second. So if you are looking for the device that can work as a normal device, in fact, and as well as a camera, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the best bet. At the front is a single 18 megapixel selfie camera that can shoot up to 4K videos at 24, 30, 25, and 60 frames per second. Then, like what happened on the Pro model, the battery on the eSIM version is bigger than the battery on the physical SIM option or the nano SIM option. The eSIM only models comes with a Leon 5088 milliamps hour battery, while the physical SIM option or the nano SIM option comes with a 4832 milliamps hour battery, and there you can see the major difference there. So, and remember that the eSIM option is mostly designed for the USA. So if you are looking for the one with a bigger battery life, the eSIM option is the best bet. Then that takes us to the pricing. The price of the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max in Nigeria starts at 2,600,000 and goes up to 2,750,000 naira for the entry 256 gigabytes. The 512 gigabytes starts at 2,900,000 and goes up to 3,100,000 naira. The 1 terabyte option starts at 3,300,000 and goes up to 3,600,000. Then if you go to the 2 terabyte option, which is designed for men with big pockets and people who has excess files to store, that one starts at 3.7 million, that is 3,700,000 and goes up to 4,200,000. No, these prices will still drop, and when it drops, we'll always be here to give you updates, because this is just the rush hour. So in common months, maybe like 2 or 3 months, the pricing will drop and it will go back to normal. So What do you think about the Apple iPhone 17? We'll also be making a clear video on these devices as soon as we lay our hands on them. So that's the major reason you should follow us, because we got you covered. So what do you think about this device? Please, if you like what you are doing, just give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.